All right, Alan Percy here, Senior Director of Marketing here at ITExpo West. And I'm here with Kerry Garrison. And Kerry and I were just chatting about how his business has been leveraged some fax solutions. So Kerry, first let's just start out, introduce us to the company and to your role in the company.
Absolutely. Vitelity has been around for about 9 years as a SIP trunk provider. And one of the products that we introduced a couple years ago was our VFax product, which is our cloud-based fax solution. We've got a web interface for it, we have a Windows desktop client, and we can do email to fax. But one of the problems we were always facing is interfacing with legacy fax machines. And that's what we really set out to find a solution for.
So the challenge was, of course, now you've got the service provider business and you're trying to offer fax services, and there were some reliability issues. So let's talk about, what were those issues and sort of how did you solve them?
Absolutely. The two main issues with faxing in today's world is either trying to fax over SIP or use T38. Neither one of those really works today. Faxing over SIP is it's problematic. You've got jitter to deal with, you've got packet loss, all those things will cause a fax to fail. And T38 has never really proven to be the solution that everybody thought it was going to be. So looking at those two solutions, nothing was really working for us, so we really needed to find something that was more reliable.
And that's, I guess, where we came in, right? So
absolutely, yeah. Absolutely. The AudioCodes and FaxBack combination was able to interface directly into our VFax platform, leveraging those technologies to provide that end-to-end solution that we were looking for.
Great. So then the current solution you've been using is one of our MP202Bs in combination with some specialized software, and that uses HTTPS for transport. So maybe just explain real briefly how that works?
Yeah, that's a really interesting way of solving this problem because, it actually ended up solving some other problems as well. By using the HTTPS protocol, you've got that streaming that's going on, but it also allows for encryption end-to-end. So that allows the whole system to be HIPAA compliant, which most fax solutions aren't. So by solving the fax problem, we actually opened up a whole new market, being able to go into that medical field with the HIPAA compliance.
Well, that's great. So maybe we'll talk a little about what's next. So, where are you folks going with it? I mean, are you expanding your business? How's it working out for you?
Yeah, I mean, it's been selling way faster than we ever imagined. And even though most of us want to think that fax is dead, it just is not going away anytime soon. Any type of industry that uses contracts is still using fax machines. Real estate offices, automotive. You can't buy a car without all those contracts going over a fax. So those people don't want to switch, and now we have a solution for that. Moving forward, what we found is some of those bigger types of customers, hospitals especially, they're looking for a high-density solution so that they can have 8 or 10 or 12 fax machines all connected to one device, and that's probably what we're going to be looking at next.
That's great. Well,
and you guys have a solution for that.
Well, thank you very much, Kerry. I really appreciate you sharing your story with us today, and look forward to the future in fax with Vitelity. So thanks again.
Absolutely. Anytime, Alan.
All right, my pleasure.